Quick reading for May the 21st to May the 22nd, Gemini. Your cards are the Six of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Nakikita natin dito na meron tayong mga taong nami-miss or meron taong nami-miss tayo, no? Chances are, I'm not sure what's with the communication. Parang ang communication is may intensify, no? Nitong retrograde na nangyayari. With the Knight of Wands, parang mas more of flowing ang magiging dynamic, no? Kumbaga, kung nagkaroon kayo ng stagnation in the past, ngayon medyo nagfo-flow, no? Umuusad. With the Six of Wands, nandito yung either, hindi lang to isang tao, no? Pero in different aspects of our life. Pwedeng family na matagal na natin hindi nakakausap, pwedeng sa romance, mga exes, ayan. Baka magulat ka, mga ilang ex, no? Ang taray ligawin. Mga ilang ex ang tatawag sa iyo and having a communication, no? So this is your quick reading, Gemini, for May the 21st to May the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.